Mabuhay! I am Olan and I'm from Manila, Philippines. I earned a degree in public administration and I'm finishing my master's in urban and regional planning at the University of the Philippines. I work as a project and operations manager at Access Health International, a non-for-profit global think tank and NGO. Given my growing academic and professional experience, I am keen into having a more active role in furthering our commitment to nation building in the context of urban planning and urban designing for more resilient, healthier, and smarter cities. I believe that opportunities such as the YSEALI Smart Cities Regional Workshop will magnify multicultural and interdisciplinary initiatives that I wish to be part of. This will enable me to achieve the grand vision of contributing and leading not just as a member of the youth, but more importantly, as a Filipino. Thank you so much in advance for considering my application, and I really look forward to connecting and seeing all of you soon. Stay safe!